Picture this, a perfect summer day at Byron Bay's famous Tallow Beach. The water is glassy, turquoise, and impossibly clear, but just meters from where people usually swim and surf, something incredible is happening. The ocean is boiling, churning with fins, tails, and fleeing fish. This isn't a scene from a movie. This was the reality captured by a local photographer's drone. Dozens of sharks, a huge shiver of them, were filmed in a spectacular feeding frenzy, pushing right up against the sandbank as they tore into a massive school of bait. The drone footage, which has since gone viral, shows the predators moving like a coordinated team, dodging and lunging through the water, creating flashes of white with every attack. The photographer, Sonja Friedrich, said that in over 20 years of living in Byron, she's never seen anything on this scale. It was an absolutely amazing sight. Miraculously, no one was hurt. Lifeguards say most swimmers were already out of the water, and those still in quickly made their way to shore as the commotion became obvious. You can see in the aerial photos just how close the breaking waves were, only a few meters away from the action. So, what caused this dramatic event? Marine experts say it's actually not that unusual for the start of summer on this coast. Huge schools of bait fish, tuna, and mullet migrate along the shoreline. And where there's food, the big predators will follow. We're talking bronze whalers, whaler sharks, and sometimes even great whites. When the conditions are just right and the food is concentrated, you get these sudden, explosive feeding events that can appear and vanish in minutes. What's different this time is how clearly it was all captured. Thanks to high-resolution drones and smartphones, we're getting a front-row seat to nature in a way we never have before. Footage that once belonged to scientific documentaries is now popping up in our social media feeds, sparking both fascination and fear. However, authorities are quick to point out that the sharks weren't hunting people. They were just taking advantage of an easy meal. Shark attacks remain incredibly rare, even on Australia's busiest surf coasts. For the locals in Byron Bay, this is a powerful reminder that their beautiful town sits on the edge of a wild and thriving marine ecosystem. Many surfers have a simple philosophy: share the lineup, stay alert, and know when to get out of the water. This event has reignited the conversation about beach safety, with some calling for more real-time drone patrols and better public alert systems. For now, the Tallow Beach feeding frenzy is a global sensation, rare, breathtaking glimpse into the ocean's food chain playing out right at our feet. It's a stunning spectacle that perfectly balances the raw beauty and untamed power of the wild. What an incredible moment to witness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world.